Let's design a function coffin room for a family of 3. This couple worked hard day and night for 5 years to afford their tiny coffin house in New York, which is less than 3 square meters. It's so small it can only fit 1 bed. Only Alice can sleep on the bed. So let's turn it into a more functional space. Firstly, they built a bed frame using square steel tubes and 2 frames, then secured it to the wall with screws to make it sturdy. They covered it with eco-friendly wood that lasts for 10,000 years and topped it with a soft mattress for sleeping. The couple can sleep on it without crowding each other. For extra comfort, they added a soft bag against the wall to lean on. They also carved out a niche at the head of the bed for decorations and installed a switch socket nearby for convenience. Then, they built a set of cabinets along the wall and cut a hole in the countertop for an induction cooker, promoting healthy home-cooked meals. Next to it, they installed a toilet, doubling the space as a bathroom. They added a hydraulic folding window that serves as both a window and a balcony when lowered, ensuring privacy and space efficiency, even during baths. The foldable basin saves space when not in use. Wall tiles protect against water, and cabinets above offer extra storage. A wall-mounted shower provides a strong flow for a comfortable bath, and a glass folding door separates this area, creating a private space. Next, they built another cabinet against the wall, topped it with soft cushions to double as a sofa, which also pulls out into a bed for the couple. This design is space efficient, with a drawer underneath for storing clothes and odds and ends. Across from it, they installed an ultra-thin cabinet that holds the shoes of a family of 3 and the wife's designer bags. A hidden dining table folds out from the middle cabinet, offering enough space for the family to eat comfortably and also serving as a study area for the kids without taking up too much room when not in use. Next to this setup, they mounted a pegboard for hanging clothes and bags upon entering and added shelves for books to encourage learning and relaxation. A projector was placed for family movie nights, creating a mini cinema experience. Lastly, a folding ladder was installed, making it easy for even the tallest family members to move around without inconvenience. Despite its small size, this coffin room cleverly includes everything a family of 3 needs, efficiently using every inch of space.